FOXO stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is FOXO Technologies stock a buy? I'm breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. No one else in the space has come even close, shown you what's working, what's not. After crazy pump up, I do see pre-market being down a bit. It's just that FOXO, it was been just a bearish thing for me beforehand. And random pump and dumps, I mean, are part of the game, but it's just that it still failed to break with a full candle close above 17 cents. You know what I mean? So for me to really be bullish, still the price must break above 17.82. Again, this is not financial advice. It's just me sticking to the edge that I've been kind of refining over 5 years. And for me, it's absolutely acceptable to just still wait it out. You know, I'm not going to just assume that things are going to take for the better turn. If there's a double break, I'm even willing to take it down. We'll see. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.